Hi, my name is Jacob Martin with the University of Texas at Dallas, and this is the Humor and Memory Study. So getting right into the introduction, the goal of our research was to identify if memes would be better recalled than textual jokes. Previous research has indicated that pictures are better recalled than words, as well as humor being better recalled than non-humor. The current study looked to take this research a step further and predicted that because of this, memes would be better recalled than textual jokes. A series of memes and textual jokes were presented to participants with a color corresponding to each joke. A distractor activity was also utilized to ensure participants did not rehearse the colors attached to each joke, as well as provide a baseline for normal humor recall. 19 students participated in the study with no compensation received. 4 memes and 4 textual jokes were utilized as our humorous stimuli. All 8 jokes had a single color corresponding to it that participants would later be asked to recall. Participants were asked to rate each joke on a scale of 1 to 7 using a Likert scale. A distractor task followed the initial browsing of each joke, which was a grocery shopping list with 10 simple food items. Participants were asked to look at the shopping list, then were asked to recall a few specific items on that list. Participants were first given the 4 memes and textual jokes and asked to rate each one on its level of humor using a Likert scale. They then completed a short distractor task before the recall activity, which was our grocery shopping list. Finally, participants were asked to recall the color that corresponded to each individual joke that they saw earlier. So for our results, participants recalled more in the joke category with a mean of 2.42 and a standard deviation of 0.96 than the meme category with a mean of 2.26 and a standard deviation of 1.28. Thus, the results were not statistically significant. The highest amount of recall belonged to the normal memory comparison, with a mean of 2.79 and a standard deviation of 0.98, residing in our distractor grocery task. So here we have 2 graphs. Table 1 demonstrates paired samples t-test and descriptive statistics, comparing the meme aggregate versus the joke aggregate. And then table 2 demonstrates a paired samples t-test and descriptive statistics comparing the grocery aggregate versus the average humor aggregate. So the study produced no significant results in determining whether visual jokes are better recalled than textual jokes. Possible limitations include using color with each joke as well as having too few jokes and memes. Future research may change the dependent variable of the experiment by having participants engage in free recall and record how many memes or jokes they accurately recall, as well as possibly increasing the amount of joke/meme pairs and a longer distractor task. In conclusion, memory recall has many factors contributing to it, and humor alone is not a sole guarantee to enhance total recall. Here is a list of the references used in my presentation. And then finally, I'd like to give a special thanks to my co-investigators, Jonathan and Melissa, as well as Dr. Drew and Evie. Thank you.